Hello there, it's Haley from SevereWeatherTV.com with the Severe Weather Outlook for the 26th day of September. So what's happening in the Eastern Pacific? We've got Tropical Storm Rachel. In the Northwest Pacific, we've got Tropical Storm Kamuri. In Mexico today, lots of potential for strong winds and rains. Torrential rains are even possible here, but intense rains here, all over the place. Strong winds for these green zones as well. In the United States, we've got this slight risk for severe thunderstorms today. In Canada, completely quiet. No watches, no warnings, no even advisories. And cyclone-wise, so over here in the Eastern Pacific, we've got Rachel. Rachel far enough from land. No land hazards on that storm. We've got Kamuri, similar situation. No land hazards on this one. We also have this chance, or this high probability zone for the JTWC. And in the South Indian Ocean, we've got a low chance of tropical cyclone formation per the JTWC. So maybe a new storm out there soon-ish. In the United States, here's an overview of the severe thunderstorm threat for the next few days. Here's what's happening at this very moment. 1 severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Nevada. In general today, 5% chance for a tornado for this zone, and then 15% chance for the 58-mile-per-hour and greater winds, and 15% chance for the 1-inch or larger hail. Tomorrow moves a little bit to the east, 15% chance for severe thunderstorms. And that is it for today. And hopefully you're staying safe out there.